With the massive reveals from CES 2026, the technology we use in our daily lives is about to completely change. We have moved past the era of simple spec bumps and incremental upgrades. This year, we are seeing hardware that fundamentally shifts how we interact with the world. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best products to come out of CES this year that you can look forward to. We aren't just talking about slightly faster phones or brighter screens. We are talking about robots that can finally navigate your entire home, computers that have completely disappeared into your accessories, and the first generation of true shape-shifting mobile devices. So, whether you're looking to finally automate your cleaning without lifting a finger, upgrade your mobile workflow to a desktop level, or just find the coolest new tech on the market, I'll have the perfect gadget for you in this video. All the links to find the best prices on all products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the very end so you don't miss anything. First up on our list is the Roborock Saros Rover, my choice for the best smart home innovation. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that finally solves the biggest issue with automated cleaning, stairs, the Saros Rover is hard to beat. For years, the holy grail of smart home tech has been a robot that isn't trapped on a single floor. Most robot vacuums work great on flat surfaces, but get stuck the moment they hit a threshold, a thick rug, or a staircase. The Saros Rover changes that completely with its new wheel leg system that Roborock officially unveiled this week. Design-wise, the Saros Rover looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It features a revolutionary Adapt-I-Lift chassis 3.0, which consists of a main wheel, an auxiliary wheel, and a climbing arm that can unfold when needed. This isn't just a gimmick. Each wheel leg provides independent reach and lift, imitating human mobility. This allows the robot to raise and lower its body to execute small jumps, make agile turns, and most importantly, climb stairs while keeping the main body level. Performance-wise, the specs here are absolutely staggering. The Saros Rover is powered by a hyperforce motor that delivers a mind-blowing 35,000 pascals of suction. To put that in perspective, most high-end vacuums last year were topping out around 10,000 to 12,000 pascals. This means it's not just climbing your stairs, it is pulling dirt out of the deepest carpets you have. It also utilizes the new StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, which uses complex motion sensors and 3D spatial information to recognize up to 201 different types of objects. This ensures that when it is navigating a curved staircase or a carpet with a bullnose front, it reacts with precision and doesn't tumble down. Roborock has paired this with their new RockDock system, which supports 212° Fahrenheit hot water washing. This means after the robot climbs your stairs and mops your floors, it returns to the dock, washes its own mop pads with near-boiling water to kill bacteria, and refills itself. While pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, this is clearly a flagship product that will likely command a premium price tag. However, if you have a multi-story home and you're tired of buying 2 robots or carrying one up and down the stairs every day, the Roborock Saros Rover is a spectacular machine. It effectively eliminates no-go zones and transitions into cleaning areas that were previously impossible for robots to reach. For homeowners with complex layouts, this is 100% the right choice for you. In the next spot on our list is the HP EliteBoard G1a, my choice for the best minimalist PC. If you're looking to declutter your desk without sacrificing power, this might be the most unique computer we've seen in years. We have seen PC and a keyboard concepts before, like the Raspberry Pi 400, but those were mostly educational toys. The EliteBoard G1a is a legitimate high-performance business workstation hidden inside a sleek, premium keyboard chassis. The first thing you'll notice is just how compact it is. It weighs just 750 grams, about 1.6 pounds, which is less than half the weight of a traditional laptop. It has an ultra-thin 12mm profile that reclaims your desk space, making it the ultimate tool for a minimalist setup. You just toss it in your bag, walk up to any desk with a monitor, and plug it in. It even has an optional integrated battery, so you can move between workspaces without shutting down. Spec-wise, the EliteBoard G1a packs a serious punch. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processor, which includes an integrated NPU capable of 50 TOPS, or trillions of operations per second. This qualifies it as a Copilot Plus PC, meaning it can handle advanced local AI tasks, real-time language translation, and heavy coding workloads without needing a cloud connection. HP didn't skimp on the ports, which is rare for a keyboard. You get Thunderbolt 4 connectivity for single cable power and video, delivering 40 gigabits per second speeds. But the most mind-blowing feature is the serviceability. Unlike most modern tech that is glued shut, the EliteBoard G1a features a removable bottom panel. You can actually access the cooling fan and, surprisingly, upgrade the RAM and storage yourself. It supports DDR5 SODIMM RAM and M.2 NVMe SSDs. This is a huge win for longevity. Who is this for? If you are a writer, a developer, or a hybrid worker who already has monitors at home and at the office, this eliminates the need to carry a heavy laptop or a bulky power brick. It offers desktop-grade power with keyboard-sized freedom. If you want a clutter-free workspace and love the idea of a minimalist computer, the HP EliteBoard G1a is an amazing choice that rethinks what a desktop can be. Next on the list is the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold, my choice for the best productivity smartphone. Foldables have been around for a while, but the TriFold feels like the moment the technology has finally matured. If you're a professional who needs a true workspace in your pocket, this is it. Where the previous Z Fold 6 had 2 panels, the TriFold adds a third, unfolding twice to reveal a massive 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The engineering here is staggering. You might expect a phone with 3 layers to be a brick, but Samsung has managed to keep it incredibly thin. When fully unfolded, the device is just 3.9 millimeters thick. It feels razor-thin in the hand. When folded up, it's about 12.9 millimeters thick, which is still quite pocketable. The hinges are incredibly smooth and solid, and the phone even has sensors that vibrate to alert you if you try to fold the panels in the wrong order, preventing accidental damage. Performance-wise, this device is a beast. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This horsepower is necessary because the TriFold is designed for extreme multitasking. You can run 3 full-sized apps simultaneously on the 10-inch screen. You can have your email on the left, a video call in the center, and your notes on the right, all without squinting. It also supports Samsung DeX, effectively turning this phone into a Chromebook-like laptop when you connect it to a monitor. Samsung hasn't compromised on the cameras either. It features a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Whether you are shooting 8K video or taking scans of documents, the quality is top tier. To power all this screen real estate, it uses a split battery system totaling 5,600 mAh, which is impressive given the thinness. This is not a cheap device. While official pricing is still to be determined, expectations are high and production is limited. But if you are a power user who has been waiting for a phone that can genuinely replace your tablet and maybe even your laptop for light work, the Galaxy Z TriFold is a design masterpiece. It is the best of CES winner for a reason. Before we head on over to the last 2 CES products on our list, if you're looking for links to these products, make sure to check out the description below. While many of these products aren't up for grabs just yet, you can feel free to check out more about them or bookmark it so you can easily find it when it's available. And while you're down there, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Now let's get back to it. Next up is something a little different, but arguably the most fun innovation at CES, LEGO SmartPlay, my choice for the best tech toy of 2026. We usually talk about screens and processors, but this is technology that brings physical objects to life. LEGO has introduced a new smart brick that is packed with sensors, lights, and an onboard synthesizer. This isn't just a flashing light, it's a completely new platform for interactive play. The magic here is that the tech is invisible. The smart brick uses copper coils, magnetic fields, and Bluetooth to detect the position and movement of other bricks and minifigures nearby. There are no cameras and no screens required. For example, if you pick up the new Star Wars Darth Vader TIE Fighter set, the ship actually responds to how you fly it. It has accelerometers that know when you are banking, diving, or crashing. If you crash it, the bricks glow red and play a crashing sound. It also recognizes specific minifigures. If you place the Darth Vader Smart minifigure into the cockpit, the set unlocks specific lightsaber hums and breathing sounds. It's fully wireless, charging via a yellow dock that uses electromagnetic fields, similar to an electric toothbrush, so you don't have to constantly swap out batteries. Why is this on a top tech list? Because it represents a shift away from iPad parenting. It uses advanced silicon, a custom ASIC chip, to encourage physical, creative play. It's nostalgic for adults and magical for kids. The system is launching this March with 3 Star Wars sets ranging from $70 to $160. If you are a collector or a parent who wants to get their kids into tech without gluing them to a screen, LEGO Smart Play is a groundbreaking release. And the final product on my list is the Shokz OpenFit Pro, my choice for the best headphones for active users. If you hate the feeling of earbuds jammed inside your ear canal, Shokz has been the leader in open-ear listening. But until now, open ear meant you had zero control over background noise. The OpenFit Pro changes the game by introducing open-ear noise reduction to this form factor. These earbuds use a new Super Boost driver system with a dual diaphragm design that delivers much richer bass and cleaner highs than previous open models. They are also optimized for Dolby Atmos with head tracking, giving you a 3D spatial audio experience that makes it feel like the music is happening in the room around you, not just in your head. Now, let's be clear, because these don't seal your ear. They won't block out the world like a pair of Sony or Bose over-ears. However, the active noise reduction is designed to cut out low-frequency hums, like HVAC units or distant traffic, while still keeping you aware of your surroundings. It's the perfect balance for runners or office workers who need to hear if a car is coming or if a colleague is talking, but want to mute the background drone. The battery life is outstanding. You get 12 hours of playback on the buds themselves, with noise reduction off, and up to 50 hours total with the charging case. They also feature Bluetooth 6.1 for instant, stable pairing, and are rated IP55 for water and sweat resistance. Priced at around $249, these are a premium option. But if you find traditional earbuds uncomfortable, or if you need situational awareness for safety while running, the Shokz OpenFit Pro is the best affordable upgrade for your daily carry. They are comfortable enough to wear 24/7 without ear fatigue, which is something very few headphones can claim. So, there you have it, the top 5 products from CES 2026 that are actually worth your money. From the stair-climbing robotics of the Roborock Saros to the shape-shifting magic of the Samsung TriFold, this year is shaping up to be massive for hardware lovers. If you guys liked this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. Prices update almost daily, so if you want the most accurate info, check those links. That's all. Till next time.